everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to another Cricut inspired DIY Wednesday. So I'm coming on to share with you 2 bathroom decors today. So this is the items we'll be using for DIY number 1. Okay, I have a small white garbage bin here. I don't remember exactly which dollar store I got it from, but I have it. And I'll be using some of these mirror tiles that I got from Amazon. And they do come with its adhesive on the back. So I'm going to use some E6000 to help glue them onto our garbage cans. So we're just going to take off the backing and then apply our E6000. Now you can't use hot glue on these mirrors. I tried and it shows it has a little distortion at the front, so don't use hot glue. Alright, use any adhesive you want except hot glue. Okay, so we just place it down. And now I'll be using some of this bling wrap here, and we are going to cut it into little strips and decorate our garbage can. Okay, so I'm just going to use some hot glue to glue down the strips. So I'm just going to line them up how I want them to be glued down, and then I'll just glue them down one by one. And I'll be doing the same steps on the bottom of our bin. Just line them up and then glue them down. And now on the side here, I'll be going with one long strip down the side of our garbage bin. And the same thing on the other side. Okay, so that's all done. That's our pattern here. So I'm just going to take an X-Acto knife and take off the protective layer that's over the mirror. And now I'm going to get my image that I made out of Cricut Design Space, which is this nice butterfly here. So I'm just going to line it up where I want it placed onto the mirror. There we go. And I'm just going to press it down. So I'm just going to use the scraper and burnish our design onto the mirror. And then we are going to just peel back the transfer tape. And there you go. And now for DIY number 2, we're going to make a nice vase to go with our garbage bin for our washroom decor. And these are the items that we'll be using. Okay, so we have this vase here. I got this vase from IKEA. I'll be using some of this bling wrap, which I cut into strips. And I'll be using the hot glue to glue them onto our vase. So I'm just gluing them down in a pattern. One long strip, one short strip, one long, one short. Now that our strips are all done, I'll be using some of this rubbing alcohol to clean off the surface of our vase. Okay, and now we have the same butterfly as the garbage bin. So we're just gonna line it up onto our vase. I'm just gonna cut some little dents to help lay it down a little better. And now we're just going to use our scraper to help burnish it onto the vase a little more. Just scrape, scrape, scrape. And then we're just going to peel back the transfer tape. And there we go. It looks very nice. And here is our finished look. A lovely Cricut inspired DIY bathroom decor. I love how the vase turned out and the garbage bin. Look at that. And the mirror, of course, it's showing everything with mirrors. I hope you can see the butterfly good on the mirror. And here it is on the vase. I love how it turned out. And here's our vase with some flowers inside. I think it's a lovely bathroom decor set. You have your garbage bin and you have a flower vase to put right on your vanity. I think it turned out very nice. Whether it's a male washroom or a female, it suits both parties. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's Cricut inspired DIY bathroom decor. I love how it turned out. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And that's all your girls got for you today. So thank you once again for coming on and seeing my Cricut DIY Wednesday. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone. Baby.